Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some overcast skies out there this morning, as we do have some active weather that will be pushing through the region today, bringing us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we move throughout the day. We could see a few of those storms possibly become severe, as the Storm Prediction Center does have us under a slight risk for severe weather today. But if we take a look at the current surface analysis, we can see this area of low pressure kind of associated with this disturbance that's kind of developed from this big complex of storms that are pushing through the region. Otherwise, we have a little boundary to the north. As this starts to push through, we should see winds shift to become more onshore this evening. Looking at current conditions as of 8 this morning, we have a few clouds at 6,000, 10,000 feet, scattered deck at 20,000, overcast at 25. Winds are out of the west at 7 knots, temperature around 81 degrees, and relative humidity is at 84%. Take a look at the local radar. We do see some of those heavier showers pushing through the northern part of the peninsula, and we do have those showers approaching from the west-northwest as well. Seeing if they can hold together as they come across the bay and move into our area. Zoom out and look at the composite radar and visible satellite. You can see a little bit of the rotation with this system, but otherwise plenty of activity going on. That will be pushing in to our area, bringing us a chance again for some storms and showers as we get most likely into the afternoon. But the good news is it's a pretty fast moving system and should be pushing out of here after sunset or just before sunset, and we'll see things start to break up and clear up as we go through the overnight hours. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model to see how this plays out. There's a little bit of variation in coverage and severeness with some of the models, but if we take a look at this, it's the HER model, 3 kilometer. Again, we see plenty of cloud materials, and then we'll see our chances of showers and thunderstorms start to increase as we get after the noon hour today, and they will continue to push through. Up to about 4 o'clock, we'll see them start to push off the coast, and we'll see things start to clear out. And then as we move through the overnight hours, we'll see those cloud layers start to push out of the area, leaving us some mostly clear to partly cloudy skies starting the day for Wednesday. And Wednesday, there's another little disturbance that is diving into the region, but should stay west of us, not bringing us much of a chance of seeing any precip with this. Might see some cloud cover push through the area, but otherwise expecting things to remain dry for our Wednesday with a onshore breeze. And then as we move through Wednesday evening, we'll see just kind of scattered cloud cover, and then moving into Wednesday, we'll start off partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, and then we'll see clouds increase as we have another system start to push into the area late Thursday evening and into Friday, bringing us another chance of seeing maybe some precip in the area. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, starting off with yellow for precip, lightning, and ceilings visibility, as well as yellow for seeing a wind advisory, as we do expect those showers to start to push into the area, bringing a chance of seeing that precip and light thunderstorm into the area before noon. But again, likely we see those colors increase after noon, as the better chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms come through from 12 local to 16 local. We do have the yellow for the wind gusts, with the chance of seeing one of those stronger storms kick up and come through. And with those stronger storms, the main threat is going to be some strong gusts associated with those. Otherwise, as we push into the evening after the 4 o'clock p.m. local time, we'll see the chances slowly start to diminish up to about the 8 p.m. local time, and after that we should see those showers and thunderstorms push off the coast, and we'll see those clouds start to break up as we go through the overnight hours. And as we get into Wednesday, again, we'll be starting the day mostly cloudy. Right now, temperatures around 80 to 81 degrees. Might see a tick up or two in the temperature before these showers start to move in, and then after the showers move in, we'll see temperatures start to cool with that rain-cooled air, and we'll see the winds shift out of the northeast, also helping to keep things cooler. And then we'll see those temperatures continue to drop throughout the evening, looking for a low of 65 as we get into the morning hours on Wednesday, And right now tides are running about normal. As we get into, or just a time out the thunderstorms, after 10 this morning, we're given about a 30% chance of seeing a light thunderstorm in the area. And again, expecting the greater chance after 12 local, giving about a probability of 50 as we go throughout the 12 local to 14, or to 16 local time frame, and then dropping back down to about a 20% chance after 16 local. But if we look at the next couple of days, should be a bit nicer and quieter. For Wednesday, partly cloudy day with that onshore flow, keeping things more seasonable, expecting a high of 82, so a little bit cooler than the last couple of days. As we get into Wednesday evening, we'll see partly cloudy skies and could see some increase in those clouds as we go through the evening, with a low of 67. As we get into Thursday, we should see clouds start to increase as another frontal boundary starts to move towards our region, expected to move through at this moment overnight Thursday and then mainly into Friday. So we'll see some clouds increase ahead of that. We'll see slightly breezy conditions pick up a little bit in the afternoon, and a very slight chance of seeing a late afternoon or evening shower early ahead of that front. But again, most of the activity should hold off until the overnight and into Friday. So for Wednesday night, low of 67, and then Thursday expecting another seasonable day with a high of 81, but otherwise green across the board for weather risk. That'll wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.